Hey, it's Jesse from CrowdDev, the developer data platform, and today I'm going to show you how to automatically send data to HubSpot. Traditional CRMs like HubSpot weren't built for developer tools and leave a lot of the buyer journey in the dark. That's why CrowdDev is a powerful tool to leverage in combination with HubSpot. Together, they can give your team the data they need for a faster sales cycle, more conversion opportunities, and increased customer retention. Before we dive in, make sure HubSpot's connected. To do this, head over to integrations and follow the steps. If you need more info, you can always reach out to our team or check out our docs. Before we create an automation, we need to head over to HubSpot and create a list. Click on contacts in the top left, open lists. We need to click create list and create a name. We're going to start with finding senior developers. You can put any description in this box, but make sure you select static list. Click next and save list. Now we've saved our list. Head over to back to lists. I want to create one more list for when we work on organizations. So we'll call this high intent accounts. Again, click static list. Next and save list. Now we can head over back to our crowd workspace. Click on automations. You'll see we have no HubSpot automation set up yet. We'll click add automation, HubSpot. We'll name our automation, and now we'll select our triggers. We're working with contact attributes, so we'll select add condition, seniority level, and we'll input senior, hit apply. You can also combine conditions, so we can look for any senior developer that's done more than 100 activities in our ecosystem and hit apply. Next, we want to add the contact to our HubSpot contact list. Ensure that's selected, and then we can choose our list. So we'll select senior developers. Now you can click add automation. CrowdDev will sync the existing contacts that were already conforming to the given filters immediately, and every 8 hours the sync will happen again, catching the new entities conforming to the filters and also updating already synced contacts again for changed properties. We can see our automation here, when it was created, last updated, and the last executions. And you can also view all of the executions in the right here. So you'll see all the successful and unsuccessful executions here. So you can monitor your automation. Next, we're going to set up automations for organizations. To do this, click Add Automation in the top right. Select HubSpot. Name our automation. We can choose our triggers. So we'll select organization attributes this time. Add condition. I want to look for organizations that are active. So we'll say have taken more than 100 activities. And I also want to look for organizations in our ecosystem that have more than 5 contacts. So this will combine these filters and show us the accounts that are large enough to satisfy our ideal customer profile and are also active in our ecosystem. One thing you can do is say matching any or matching all. I prefer to use matching all to combine these filters and narrow down the scope of users or the scope of organizations I'm looking at. But if you'd like to look at multiple conditions at once, you can select matching any. We'll say create companies in HubSpot. And if you'd like to, you can select sync all contacts from the organizations matching your criteria. So what this will do is it'll sync every contact at the organization that meets these criteria to a list. And we can select the high intent accounts list. Click add automation and we'll see our automations here. To wrap up, we built our automations tool to enable faster speed to market, improved data quality, and ultimately better outcomes for your efforts. Whilst traditional CRMs like HubSpot are great at managing qualified leads, they're limited in their ability to cater to the dev tool industry. CrowdDev complements HubSpot with more relevant developer data without any manual data entries. This gives your team a full view of their pipeline, easily surfacing high intent accounts for signal-based selling. We're building the tool to find, enrich, and surface developer data. And if you'd like to talk to a team member, head over to our site and book a call with us, or you can email us at help@crowd.dev. Our team's always ready to work with customers.